It is recommended that the non-disposable parts of the Novus system be disinfected between screenings. These parts include the preamplifier, electrode wires, and insert phone tubing, which come in direct contact with the infant. Physically wipe down the equipment by using a disinfectant approved by your facility. Non-alcohol-based disinfectants that contain the active ingredient quaternary ammonia compound or a hydrogen peroxide-based cleaner may be used. The surface of the Novus instrument may be cleaned using a soft cloth moistened with a mild solution of water and detergent. Always switch off the device, disconnect from power, and be careful that no fluid enters the inside of the instrument or the accessories. These recommendations for cleaning and disinfection of the Novus are not intended to replace or contradict the policies or procedures required for infection control by your facility.